Alright, I'm back with another crypto video. My first crypto video since pretty much forever, I don't know. But yeah, I thought that I'd make a real quick video on this brand new token that I found on the PulseChain ecosystem, or PulseChain network, whatever it's called. So this token launched on July 18th. It's only at a $65,000 market cap as of now. It has only 46 holders, with the biggest wallet holding 29.1%. I'm pretty sure this wallet is tied to some kind of function, so I don't count that as a holder. Anyway, so how did I find out about this token? Well, I know the developer. He reached out to me on July 18th and told me that they have launched a new token called YieldFlow, which is basically like a reflection token. He explained it a bit. It's a bit different from a reflection token, but that's basically how I understand it. You hold this token and you earn passive income in the form of wrapped Ethereum, which gets sent straight to your wallet, which is very nice. So like I said, he mentioned this token on July 18th. I did not invest then because, yeah, like most tokens, they usually reduce in price after launch and then they start to go up again, hopefully. But yeah, I haven't invested yet. I am thinking of doing it later today. I'm not getting paid to do this video, but I thought that it was a cool project, so I'm going to invest in it, and if I invest in it, I want to tell my community about it, because I believe that this has potential as it's very low market cap, basically no holders yet, not even 50 holders, and yeah, I like the idea with earning passive income in the form of wrapped Ethereum. You just buy the token, hold it, and you earn passive income. So, as I understand it, every time someone sells the token, it emits wrapped Ethereum to all of the holders that are left, you know. They don't have a website. They do have a Telegram group, which I will be linking in the description box down below. They also sent me a light paper, but I don't know if I can share this in the description. But yeah, basically here you can see 0 tax on all transaction while still paying wrapped Ethereum rewards to holders. So here is, for YouTubers, the easy explanation. Imagine a savings account that pays interest but never charges fees. Not for deposits, withdrawals, or transfers. That's YieldFlow, but with crypto and wrapped Ethereum rewards. Wow! Yep, Ethereum is pumping, we already knew that. Why buy Ethereum when it's expensive, when you can earn it for free, or basically paying a fraction of the price by buying this token instead? Tokenomics at a glance feature YieldFlow. They gotta fix this. I don't know how to read this, but basically sell tax 0%. I don't know what this 5 to 20% is, but it's 0% tax on this token. 0 tax with rewards, no value lost to taxes, perfect for Eat Bulls, revolutionary tokenomics. They are really trying to hammer in this zero tax thing. So yeah, let's check out their Twitter as well. Very cool, very cool. 1 following, 2 followers. All right. Yeah. That's basically it. I just wanted to mention this token because I thought that it's pretty cool. It's made by a guy I know. Basically, there is no content on this token out there, so this might be an opportunity to get in on the ground floor. But who knows, this is not financial advice. You should do your own research and don't invest more money than you can afford to lose. So here it says a 1% sell tax. Honeypot? No. As I understand it, this has no sell tax or buy tax. Yep. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. Crypto Holger out.